Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to make a recipe with sweet potatoes. It's not very sweet and there is no added sugar to it. It has peanuts, cilantro, salt and green chilies, and that's about it. So let's see how it is made. Please check the description box for the detailed ingredients list. I have taken 1 pound of sweet potatoes, 1 regular potato, hot green chilies, salt, roasted and ground peanuts, and for cooking I have used ghee, but you can also use olive oil, along with 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds plus cilantro for garnish, which is not shown in the picture. I have thoroughly washed both kind of potatoes and cleaned them well. There is no need to peel them, but just scrape them lightly. And remove both ends and any black spots you see and wash them again. And then after that we are going to grate them. If you have a food processor, use that. It's much faster that way. Otherwise hand grater is fine. Now let's heat a pan for cooking. I'm using a non-stick pan, but you can use any kind of pan you like. Once it's hot, add 4 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee to it. Like I mentioned before, you can use olive oil. It tastes good too, but ghee gives you better flavor. When ghee is hot, add cumin seeds to it and let them crackle for a couple of seconds, and then add green chilies and stir fry them. They should release the aroma. When green chilies are little fried, we're going to add the grated both kind of potatoes. Let's add half of them and then stir fry them to make sure all the flavors are mixed in. If you have a big pan, you can put them all at once, but my pan is a little smaller, so I'm doing little bit at a time. Once they're all mixed, I'm going to add the rest of it and then stir it really well, scraping it from the bottom. Now I'm going to cover the pan and cook it for about 5 minutes on medium to low heat. After 5 minutes, let's open the lid and stir the sweet potatoes, scraping it from the bottom. Now I'm going to add the salt. My salt is little lumpy, that's why I'm breaking the lumps, but I'm sure you don't have to do that. And then also add the crushed peanuts and stir it well again, scraping it from the sides and the bottom. So make sure salt and nuts are well mixed. Once everything is mixed in, I'm going to cover it again and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. It took me total 11 minutes to cook this dish. Initially, I covered it for 5 minutes in a row, and then after that every 2 minutes I have opened the lid and stirred it. So in 11 minutes this dish is cooked. So this Kees is ready. That's right, this is called Kees. Sweet potato Kees. It's not kiss, it's Kees. It's a regional Indian dish. This dish can be served with plain yogurt, or you can also squeeze some lime juice on it if you like little bit tart flavor, but it's amazingly delicious. Please check the description box for more details and subscribe.